Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in to your OneDrive using your email, your phone or Skype. To do so, all you have to do is simply go into your Google Chrome browser and search for OneDrive here, and after that you can see that if you just search for OneDrive and hit on enter, you'll be taken to this kind of space. Where now if you just click on the first link, you'll be taken to a different site where now you can either sign up for free or just click on sign in. If you click on sign in, different options of sign in option will appear. Here in the sign in option, just input your email, your phone or Skype that you used while signing in into your OneDrive. After that, simply click on next, and after that simply input your password and you'll be able to log in into your OneDrive. But if you don't already have an account on OneDrive, you can simply click on this create one option to help you create and sign up into OneDrive. Or if you are having trouble signing up or accessing your account, simply click on this can't access your account to help you troubleshoot the problem by using customer care of OneDrive. And that is how you can log in into your OneDrive from your Google Chrome browser on your PC or a laptop. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.